Transform your recovery with the Lifepro Portable Ice Bathtub A. Feeling sore after a tough workout? The Lifepro Portable Ice Bathtub is here to cool things down. Literally, cold plunge therapy reduces inflammation, accelerates recovery, and helps you feel more energized. Whether you're an athlete or just love fitness, this tub is your ultimate recovery tool. Crafted with durable drop-stitch material, this cold plunge tub offers optimal support while immersing your body. With an 80-gallon capacity, the spacious design ensures full comfort. Plus, it's portable and easy to inflate with its included air pump, making it perfect for home or on-the-go recovery sessions. From enhancing post-workout recovery to managing stress, the Lifepro tub meets all your wellness needs. It's compatible with external chillers for maintaining cold temperatures, ideal for consistent therapy. The all-weather lid keeps your tub clean and ready whenever you need it. Highly rated with 4.5 stars, clients rave about its sturdy build and ease of use. Loved for portability, it's perfect for home setups or travel. Satisfied customers enjoy the instant benefits of cold water therapy while appreciating its premium design and comfort. Why wait to boost your recovery and wellness? The Lifepro Portable Ice Bathtub is your partner in fitness and recovery success. Tap the link in the description to elevate your home fitness game today and experience next-level rejuvenation. Your body will thank you.